Hi children, welcome to the science class. Today let us learn about safety. In this class let us learn about safety. Children, we should not play with knife, matchstick and hot water can harm us. Playing with matchstick. Hot objects cause burn. We should stay away from them. Okay, children, we should take care of our body and try to stay safe. To stay safe, we need to follow certain safety rules. So, now let us learn about safety rules at home. So, at home, what are the safety rules we should follow? We should not leave our toys on the floor. We should keep it in a proper place. If we leave on the floor, if someone might trip over them, we should not walk or run on the wet floor because it might slip and fall. Because you might slip and fall. Do not touch electrical objects. We should not touch electrical objects. We should not play with switches because you might get a shock. You might get a current shock. So, we should not play with switches or electrical objects. Do not reach out for things that are not kept at your height. Always we should take a help of an adult or elders. Things that are not kept at your height. Then we should not play with sharp and hot objects. We should not play with matchsticks. We should stay away from fire because it might burn. It causes burn. Okay, children. Then safety rules at school. Let us learn about safety rules at school. What are the safety rules we should follow at the school? Always get on or get off a school bus in a queue. We should not rush towards a school bus. We should not get on or get off a moving bus. While a school bus is moving, we should not get on or get off. Do not lean out of the window of a bus. We should not look outside from the window of a bus. We should not run around in the classroom. We should not run around in the classroom. Do not sit on desk. We should not sit on the desk. We should not sit on the desk. We should not climb on desk and chairs because you might fall. Because you might fall and get hurt. Always watch your steps while using stairs. Do not push each other on stairs. When you or someone else might fall and get hurt. If you push someone, You might get hurt or you might fall. Okay, children, we should follow these many rules in the school. Okay, children.